The main building of a Chinese-built hospital and nursing college in East Pakistan has been topped off. The project includes a 200-bed mother and child care hospital and ancillary buildings in Punjab province. It's expected to be completed next year. It's constructed by China Civil Engineering Construction Corporation.
从当地居民以及我们参与建设的8方人员来说，他们是非常的高兴的，对我们的工作也是非常认可的。这些跟老百姓比较贴近他们生活的这种项目的便利开花呀，我相信对我们中巴友谊来说将会是一个很好的证明与推动作用。
We have learned a lot because they are committed to their work, no matter what time. So it is the devotion and commitment from the Chinese which have boosted our faith on this firm.